morning. I'm so excited. This is going to be a whole self-care pampering session routine. I hope you all can follow me. This is an inspiration for Valentine's Day. If you are getting ready for a date or if you're just single like a Pringle like me. Either way, follow along and indulge in a nice self-care luxurious spa day at home. So I'm starting this whole pamper routine with a nice matcha latte. This is amazing. So many antioxidants, super anti-inflammatory, and it makes you glow from the inside out. I'm just gonna drink that in my room with a candle lit, just creating a nice romantic setting for myself right off the bat, because who does not want that? I'm just gonna drink the rest of my matcha latte in bed, and then I will go right to the bathroom and inspect my face and do a little whatever that was. And then I realize I need a tweezing. This is probably the first time I legit tweeze my eyebrows in like 5 years. I'm not even kidding. So I'm like, you know what? It's about time, get that unibrow. I mean, like, I don't really have like crazy eyebrows to begin with, but I thought a little cleanup would feel nice just to bring up my spirits. I thought I would also create a nice sugar lip scrub just to exfoliate my lips, and also because I just thought this was fun. So I'm just taking a little bit of olive oil with some brown sugar, and that's literally it. Just mash it up and you have yourself such an amazing DIY lip scrub. And girl, we are just getting started. Tastes wonderful, of course. Okay, now we're gonna steam our face. This has been so long since I've steamed my face. We're just gonna take some Rosehips. They're full of antioxidants and vitamin C. Smells amazing as well. And steaming the face just loosens up the gunk. Gonna just take some Spearmint Leaves, and oh my gosh, as soon as I added these to the mixture, I kid you not, the whole apartment literally just smelled like mint, and it is just the most refreshing thing ever. So this is definitely gonna refresh my face so much. So I'm just so excited to dive right in. But yeah, I'm just taking a little towel because that obviously will trap in the heat or the steam way better. And I'm just gonna steam my face for about 10 minutes, not too long. And oh my gosh, my face is a little bit flushed, but oh my gosh, it was like the most relaxing experience of my life. So we're gonna go right into the bathroom now and we're gonna just have a nice bubble bath. Oh my gosh, I am just feeling so pampered right now. But yeah, so we're gonna take a vanilla body milk soap. Look at these beautiful bubbles, and we're going to light a nice mango scented candle. This just smells so tropical. It smells like I'm on a beach or something, or like, I don't even know. The next thing we're gonna do is add these luxurious Dead Sea bath salts into the bath, of course. It's really good for relaxing the muscles. And then we're going to go in with two face masks. So the first one is a pore cleansing one. So we're going to multi-mask. So we're going to use this one to kind of, again, suck out anything else that may be in the pores. Yes, clay masks are amazing. I believe this has kaolin in it. Super good, again, for detoxifying the skin and just sucking out any impurities that maybe the steam could not get. Who knows? If anything, my pores are way more open now because of the steam, so this can penetrate way deeper. Either way, it's just so relaxing and pampering. And the next one is Flacco. So this, oh my gosh, this color is just the most beautiful color. So this is an Australian blue clay mask. So this is detoxifying and brightening face mask. The ingredients are amazing, and it's again the most satisfying, literally just aesthetically. But also very good for, again, purifying the skin. So we're just gonna put that on the chin and the forehead. Yeah, basically just the spots that I didn't get with the pink pore sucking mask. And oh my gosh, look how satisfying that is. And yes, we are just ready to go into the bathtub. I'm just going in with the usual shampoo, and then the conditioner I'm using, this is just from Function Beauty, but this is so moisturizing. It has like shea butter, it has all these different kinds of vitamins, and I'm actually putting a lot more than I normally would use, and I'm going to just let that sit in while I do the rest of exfoliating. So I'm just going in with a loofah to just exfoliate any dead skin cells that may be lingering on my arms, body, everywhere. Get this amazing, wonderfully, that was me trying to like say how amazing it smelled, but yeah, it smells so amazing. It's literally like the best smelling thing. I don't like drinking coffee, but I love rubbing it all over my body. Super good for detoxifying. Again, it has a bunch of vitamins in it. Caffeine promotes blood circulation. It helps reduce cellulite, brightens the skin. So many more benefits, of course. And I'm just getting my legs and especially the knees and elbows and anywhere that may be a bit more crustier a bit more rougher. All right, can't forget the stomach. And then the last thing I am doing is just shaving, because by the time you are exfoliated, all of those hair follicles will have loosened up, so it'll be easy to shave at this point. And then we're just going to wash the face mask off, because it probably has been a hot minute since it's been sitting on my face, so my face is gonna be really purified, I guess, at this point. Blow out my candle. And then we're just gonna do some quick skincare routine. So I'm just going in with a serum, slap a bit too to create blood flow, and then just a moisturizer. This is just the Function of Beauty repair cream. And then I want to end it with a facial massage. I'm going to go in with the Banish Vitamin C facial repair oil, I guess. This is so amazing for just the overall glowiness and antioxidant content in the skin. A few drops of that, and then I'm just gonna again massage it all over my face and neck, of course. Don't neglect the neck. And then I'm going to give myself just a mini facial massage with a gua sha, I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna take the dip in it. I'm going to caress my jawline and then around my eyes, my cheek area. One of the edges, I'm just gonna go along my lymph nodes to just drain my lymph nodes. And then I'm just going to let my hair out of my towel, and then this is time for my leave-in conditioner. This is just again a leave-in conditioner. This is so good. I just put this starting from the middle and then towards the ends. And then the next thing I'm going in with is this keratin. Oh my gosh, I'm just doing it towards the ends because it's a bit heavier since it is an oil, but it's still pretty light, which is nice. Like I have super thin hair, oh my gosh, so usually oil is pretty bad for it. Like it does not take oil well, but this one specifically, for some reason, it handles it very well and makes my hair not heavy, just super smooth and soft and silky. And I'm just gonna put my towel back on, and then I'm just gonna brush my teeth because I'm going to get ready to whiten them, which I'm so excited. I'm just using the Arm & Hammer baking soda toothpaste with charcoal, and then I'm just going to finish it on with some lip balm. So yeah, we're just going in with a teeth whitening kit. So these are my teeth. This is what it looks like before. I don't know if like you'll see a result like the just one-time use, but anyway, I'll show you what they look like after anyway. But this is just a tray, and I just put spread a bunch of gunk in there like that paste, and then you just put it on, and then you just press in that blue light thingy in, and then you just wait for like 10-20 minutes, honestly as long as you want, honestly. And then while I'm waiting, I'm going to be using the Kenzie. I actually have a link where you could purchase this and have a coupon if you use code Sonia, I believe. I'll put it here on the screen. But anyway, so this has 5 functions. I just go straight to the strongest one because I am just a rebel. Basically, while I'm waiting for my teeth to whiten, I'm multitasking because I'm just efficient. But anyway, like lasering my legs, and here I'm just doing my armpits because that's one of the things where I'm just like, oh my god, I really want to get rid of the stubble. Because even after you shave your armpits, there's still like those black dots or whatever. So I'm just trying to get rid of them. And then I just go back into the bathroom and then spit that nasty stuff out. And this is what my teeth look like after. And then I'm just going to go in with some moisturizer. So this has shea butter and CoQ10. So it helps promote collagen. And I assume, hopefully, reduce cellulite. I have no idea, but either way, it is super smooth, and I love this stuff, and it smells amazing. Oh my god. And I'm just doing my arm, well, my whole body, obviously. I'm not gonna show that on camera. Then the last thing I'm gonna do is also put some coconut oil on my elbows and knees, because those are trouble areas that can get really crusty. So take care of those. And then I'm just doing a water break because you need water. And then at this point, I'm gonna take some biotin hair serum because my hair has dried a bit more and is only just kind of damp, because I don't like applying this stuff to wet hair just because I find it's a bit heavy. I don't know, but I like to apply this to dry hair or like damp hair specifically, and it makes my hair so smooth. And biotin obviously helps, I would assume, helps the growth of hair. And then yeah, to final it all off, if we're gonna focus on beauty from the inside out, not just externally, I'm just gonna take some Karen Phytoplankton. This is marine phytoplankton algae. This is super high in omega-3s to reduce inflammation in the body and to promote glowing skin. So we're just gonna have a nice big glass of this, and obviously you can use code Sonia at checkout for 20% off and free shipping. And we're gonna get changed, oh my god, so corny, but into just comfy clothes. This is just my Charlie Brown onesie dress type thing, I don't even know, but it's so comfy. Anyway, so we're just going to end the night with just, you know, either you can watch a show, you could cuddle your stuffed animal, you could FaceTime a family family or friend and just say hello. Again, if you are single and you're not gonna be like cuddling or being with a significant other, you can of course spend time with your girlfriends. Again, FaceTime or call a loved one, cause really you are never alone. So yeah, just know that you are beautiful. You deserve to feel loved and pampered any day of the year. So yes. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you have a good day. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.